Okay.
Good morning, sir.
You know, today I'll show you something. I guess you before. Just see, you might have seen this before. Can you recognize? Okay. Just be silent. I'll take response from everybody. You saw this anywhere? This. What is that banner is about? Just see, and answer whenever I ask. No. Just be silent till some time. Yeah, you saw it. Did you see this before? No? Okay, we'll discuss. You? Okay, very good number. No? Okay. We'll discuss. Okay. This banner, I think most of you saw this before. And no problem if you didn't see also. Okay, can anybody just raise your hand? No. If you know what the banner is about, just raise your hand. No mass answers. Okay. Polio camp. Very good.
For small children, they will give some liquid.
For small children,
They will give some liquid.
liquid. Very good. They will use some liquid drop. Yeah.
Polio drop.
Very good. Who wrote polio drop? Very good. Polio drop. Okay, sit down. Okay, what is this? Yeah, you will get a blue color. No. They will use some kind of stamp. Yeah, marker kind. So that's a mark that you already took the vaccine. Okay, what is the purpose of that polio drop? To avoid polio. Very good. Open your books and write each word. To avoid polio. Can we say preventive to it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is preventive. So what it will do? How it will work? Any ideas? How it will work?
It will protection for polio.
It will give no answer. Can you say? Okay. Okay, it will protect us from polio. Okay, fine. So, yeah. To make this clear to you, I will explain a process. How our immune system works. Do you all know what is immune system? Okay, what is immune system? Can somebody stand and say what is immune system? Okay, you don't know? It's okay, very good, fine.
Immunity will help to recover wounds.
Very good. Immunity will help to recover us from any wounds or illness. Recovery. Write down immune system. You should know the definition of immune system. Then only you can easily understand what is this vaccine. Okay? Write down. Immune system. Yeah. Immune system is the response. No, immune system. Right? Immune system. Immune system is the response from the body. Immune system is the response from the body to fight against antigens. To fight against antigens that are entering from outside. Antigens or pathogens. To fight against antigens or pathogens. Done? Okay.
Sir, immunity system.
Immune system. That helps to fight. that helps to fight against. Okay, what is this polio drop? Is that medicine or? Oh, very good. Stand up.
Vaccine.
Vaccine. Very good. Polio is polio drops. We are discussing about the polio drops, right? These polio drops are not medicine. Don't misunderstand. There is a difference between medicine and vaccine. Now I will tell you in which way it is different. Okay? Yeah. Okay, that mark. Okay, very good question. Why they will put a mark with marker? Because wait, that is a okay. You want to say? Very good, Emmanuel. Clear the doubt to your friend.
Means we have made a polio drops. We have made means it's for in Telugu.
Oh, it's okay. Tell in Telugu. I will translate it for you.
మనం పోలియో డ్రాప్స్ వేసుకున్నప్పుడు మనము వేసుకున్నాం తెలియదు.
Very good indication. That is the indication that we already took polio drops. And till next, I mean, we need not take polio drops again. By mistake, some may take polio drops twice in a day itself.
We must not take more dose.
Very good. Stand up.
We must not take more dose.
More dose. Very good. Sit down. Yeah. Is your doubt clear? To maintain that, it is identification so that we will not take extra dose. Just to maintain the doses, they will put that mark. That is nothing for vaccine or
Sir,
vaccine. Yeah.
It will remain 2-3 days.
Yeah, very good. It will remain for 2-3 days. Yeah. You know, some uneducated people may go again and again, thinking that if we take more drops, we will never get it again. Such kind of things shouldn't happen. That's why that mark will be given. Okay, polio drops is polio drops are vaccine, right? Very good. Now tell what is vaccine. Very good.
Sir.
Wait. What is that?
Vaccine means it is.
Yeah, you can tell in Telugu.
Vaccine అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ముందుగా ప్రివెంట్ చేయడం.
Yeah, very good.
అంటే ముందుగా రాకుండా జరగదు.
Yeah. What is medicine then?
మెడిసిన్ అంటే మనకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత అది పోగొట్టుకోవడం.
Very good. What's your name? Jyotish Kumar. Very good, Jyotish Kumar. Clap for your friend. It's a really good answer. Vaccine, as your friend told, vaccine is preventive in nature. Preventive, so that we can stop. Preventive. So how it acts as a preventive? What does a vaccine contain?
Sir, vaccine.
Very good. Stand up and say. Vaccine?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, vaccine వేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఇంజెక్షన్ రాస్తారు మామూలుగా వేయకూడదు.
Yeah, very good. Sit down. Vaccine. There is no particularity like how we will take vaccine. There will be some oral vaccines which we can take from mouth, and other vaccines will be taken through injection. There is no particular way. The purpose is just to take vaccine inside so that our immune system responds to it. Okay? Vaccine. What this vaccine will do and what this vaccine contains.
Vaccine contain microorganisms.
Very good. Who told that? Very good. Stand up. Uday, right? Very good, Uday. Vaccine contains microorganisms. Okay. Won't we get?
It kills harmful microorganisms.
Wait. It kills, but he told vaccine contains microorganisms. What will happen if that microorganism will be the reason for next disease?
Microorganisms respond to immunity system.
Yeah, of course. It will stimulate immune system, but it can even damage our body responses, right? Sometimes.
By taking more dose.
Yeah, not more else. If some microbe is entering our body, that means that is causing a disease inside. So what we will do?
Vaccine.
Vaccine.
Medicine.
No. Okay, very good. You reached till a certain point till the end. Very good. Sit down. I will clear this for you now. Preventive. In this vaccine, as our Uday told, we will take microorganisms only. Which microorganism we will take?
And useful micro.
Not very good. But who told useful? Yeah. You are confused between useful microorganisms and this vaccine concept. I will clearly tell this for you. Yeah, we discussed the useful microorganisms in the last class.
Yeah.
So that, yeah, in what is that? We discussed last class.
For about bacteria.
Bacteria,
Antibiotic. That is antibiotics, and this is vaccine. There is a difference. Antibiotics is taking the counterpart of bacteria, microbes, which can fight with this. But here in this vaccine, we are taking the disease causing microorganism itself.
Sir,
Yeah, very good. Stand up.
they produce antibodies.
Yeah. Our body will produce antibodies as response to that antigen. Okay. Yeah, you can. So let's discuss this. Vaccine. In vaccine, what will be there in vaccine?
Useful microorganisms.
Not useful microorganism. That is other concept. Okay? The disease causing microorganisms itself. Polio causing microorganisms. But you may get a doubt like, sir, if we allow polio causing microorganisms into our body, won't we get disease? Do you have that doubt? Okay, very sensible doubt. But here we are killing the microorganism. We will kill or disarm. Disarm means we will damage the structure of that body of that microorganism. So we will disarm or kill. So now, can it damage us? Can it cause disease in us? No, right? It's not having the disease causing properties now. Okay? The vaccine is not having disease causing properties. But what is the need of vaccine? Why are we taking it?
To prevent.
To prevent. Yeah, how it will prevent?
By increasing our immunity.
By increasing our immunity. Very good. By increasing our immunity. How it will increase our immunity?
By contacting.
Any guess? Very good. Stand up. What?
By contacting with immunity.
By contacting
Sir,
with
by-
immunity. Yeah, it will go in contact with our immune system. Very good. Then what will happen?
That will prevent our diseases.
Very good. Good response. I will tell you clearly. First, to understand how the reaction goes on in our body, you should understand how our immune system works. Whenever this is antigen or pathogen, this can cause disease. Okay? Whenever this enter our body, a kind of reaction will happen in our body. What is that reaction? In that reaction, when this antigen goes in contact with our immune system, it will produce two type of cells. One type of cell is antibody. What is antibody? Antibody is something that can fight with antigens. Yeah. It will provide one antibody
Is antigen.
and two
Which gives microorganisms. Calling microorganisms.
memory cells. Okay. If somebody come and slap you, what you will do? Yeah, we will again slap him and we will put his face in our mind. Right? We will remember him and we will be careful with him in the next time whenever he comes to us. Right? So that is the responses here. One antibody, we will counterattack and we will remember. So then it will be effective, right? Whenever that person comes to us again, we will be ready. We will be ready with some weapon also sometimes. So that if that person come and hit us, we will attack on him again. So that is vaccine doing in us. Vaccine is not carrying any harmful microorganism. Yeah, of course it is carrying microorganism that cause disease, but we disarmed it already. We killed it so that only the protein will be there. When that protein is there, then our body can recognize, okay, this person is having this kind of characters, this antigen is having this kind of property. So this is the way I can fight with him, right? So this vaccine, use of vaccine is and to analyze properties of microorganisms. Whenever it comes, whenever the real polio causing microorganisms come in our body, so that our body will be very much ready. Within, wait, I will tell you. Why it's taking so much? Okay, fine. I will discuss it later. See, whenever a microbe enters our body will take some time, so that it can understand the properties of it, how it is, how the person is, how dangerous the person is. Yeah, of course we will disarm it, but that will study the properties, how dangerous the antigen is. So what can I do for attacking the antigen? It will analyze and it will create memory cells according to it. Whenever it comes really, it starts fighting with it, so that there won't be any harm. Simple logic in a disease is giving more time for the organism to develop in us. If you are able to kill the microorganism the first day of entering our body, nothing will happen. Microorganism first, it will enter our body and it will divide. It will divide and it will increase its population strength. Then it will start attacking our body. You will learn it in your next classes, and that period is called as incubation period. Incubation period. You can write it down. You will get it in the first year. Incubation period is the period of time. Yeah, the period of time. Okay, write down. Incubation period. INCUBATION. Incubation. The period of time between first exposure of microorganism to the body. The period of time between first exposure of microorganism the period of time between first exposure of the microorganism to our body and till we develop symptoms. Till person develops symptoms. Till the person develops symptoms. That is incubation period. Develop symptoms. Okay, somebody from this one. Can you tell what is incubation period now? Just now I told you definition and just now I explained you. Can you frame it in your own words and tell me? Tejas, can you? Wait a minute.
The microorganism increase the population.
Enter our body. Right? See, wait. I will explain you more clearly. There is a person called A. He was exposed to coronavirus. Coronavirus, okay. And on the first day he got exposed to it. I mean, what's the date today? Today is 9, right? Yeah, 9. And he will develop symptoms. I mean, that cough, that cold, sneezing, and temperature increase. Okay, that he can see on for not 10.
And then 9 days.
Okay.
After.
Okay, fine. He can observe all these symptoms on 18 December. So, what is the incubation period?
9 days.
9 days, very good. So, from this date to this date, that is called incubation period. Simple.
Did
Did everybody understand that? Yeah, you want to say something? Wait a minute. Yeah, very good.
మన బాడీలోకి వైరస్ లోనికి వెళ్ళి
Hmm.
దాంట్లోనే ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతాయి సార్ ఎక్కువ జనాల్లాగా
Yeah, yeah.
అవి మనల్ని వ్యాధికి
Yeah, first in the incubation period, even the number of microorganisms is present, they will just stay silent. They will concentrate on producing more members, reproduction. Then once the reproduction is complete, once the strength is enough, it will start attacking our body. Even microorganism is intelligent, it won't attack you without any strength. Okay? So this is the thing happening in it. If we can kill that in initial days using this memory cells, then we will not get disease, right? We will not get symptoms also, no? We need not go to hospital. We even don't know whether that organism enter our body. When we know whether if that organism enter our body?
because of symptoms.
Yeah, because of symptoms only we'll get to know. When the symptoms are not developed itself, there won't be any problem. We will not even get to know once we take a vaccine for something. Okay, since now we are discussing these many things about vaccine and all. But can you remember we started here discussing about polio. What is polio? No, polio is not vaccine. Very good. Standard. Polio is disease. That polio drops is vaccine. Okay? Yeah. What is polio? Like how it will be? How the symptoms will be? Wait. Like? Yeah. If you turn back and we can't. Yeah. What? There is a term for it.
Handicap.
Yeah. Handicapped is fine. But particular term. What is it?
మన చేతులు ఊడిపోతాయి కదా.
Yeah. Our hands will be like this. It will turn and we can't. Very good. Stand up. You told something. Very good. Paralysis. You know paralysis, right? You can't our body won't listen to us. It will just fix itself like this. You can't use this. You can't bend. You can't do any work with this. It will be just fixed like this. Yeah, not available. Very good. Pakshavatam in Telugu. Yeah, paralysis.
In English, leprosy.
Yeah. Leprosy is kushtu. Okay? Okay, fine. This is vaccine. Okay, can anybody frame a definition of vaccine now? Definition of vaccine. Just try. Okay, stand up. What is vaccine? Tell in your own words. What is vaccine? Wait. Please give a chance to our friend. Yeah, you can tell in this one. No, not antibiotics. Sit down. Wait, just raise your hand. Sit down, everybody. Just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who didn't give answer? Okay, stand up. What is vaccine? Frame it in your own words.
The disease which causes disease. They kill disease causing with microorganisms.
They kill disease causing microorganisms. Very good. With the help of memory cells. Memory cells already present in it. Vaccine won't stay in your body. Okay?
Vaccine to prevent the disease.
Vaccine will die within some time. Vaccine is just microorganisms, right? Whenever it enters our body, these antibodies will kill the antigen. And only memory cells will be there. No, nothing will remain. No microorganism will remain except memory cells. That memory cells develop memory and it keeps in mind that what are the characters, how to fight and all. Okay, sit down. Who is raising hand here?
Jyoti.
Yeah, stand. Then what is vaccine?
Vaccine prevents diseases.
Very good. Vaccine prevents diseases. How?
It is against harmful microorganisms.
It is against harmful microorganisms. Okay.
It will Contact with the memory cells.
Very good. It will not contact. It will go in contact with immune system and it will give rise to
Rest to memory cells.
antibody and memory cells. Antibody will kill that vaccine. Yeah, that microorganism is vaccine. And memory cells will stay in our body. But where it will stay? Lymph. Did you ever hear of lymph? Yeah, lymph nodes will be there. Lymph. Okay, you tell. Stand up later. What is vaccine?
Vaccines are the microorganisms which develop our immunity
Very good.
and kills diseases.
And kills the disease causing
Virus.
viruses, virus or bacteria. Okay.
This is called the microorganism.
Very good. Write down vaccine. Vaccine. The dead or disarmed, the dead, DEAD, dead or disarmed, DISARMED, the dead or disarmed microorganisms the dead or disarmed microorganisms even the dead or disarmed disease causing microorganisms even to the healthy person to develop immunity response. Immunity response. Can you say any examples? Any examples of any
Polio
vaccine?
vaccine.
Very good, right? Polio vaccine.
COVID vaccine.
COVID vaccine, we didn't find it there. TB vaccine. TB is caused by bacteria. TB is not viral. TB is bacterial. Don't have this thing in your mind that we will prepare vaccine only to the viruses. Vaccines can be prepared to any microorganism. Okay? Even to bacteria. Cough we get very frequently. We don't need any vaccine. If our body can fight with that particular disease causing microorganism, we need not prepare a vaccine because our body will do it automatically.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When
For
from
normal,
when from nose will become letter, then also get vaccine.
when
From nose blood comes. Sir, what will wear that? That is the surgery.
no. Okay. Do you want to know when first vaccine was prepared? First vaccine.
Alexander
Penicillin.
No, that is not vaccine. Edward Jenner. A great man named Edward Jenner. Who is this Edward Jenner? Edward Jenner is a doctor. And you know, wait, something happened in our past. You know smallpox? It is also like chickenpox. You can see the picture, how a person will become. Yeah. Smallpox. You know, he observed something. Smallpox. The milkmaids who were in contact with cows which are having cowpox. There are two diseases. Smallpox in humans and cowpox in cows. The milkmaids, poor milkmaids.
Who will take milk?
Yeah, who will take milk and who will sell. The milkmaids didn't develop symptoms of smallpox. Remaining all are getting smallpox and some are even dying. It wiped nearly some millions of people in 18th century. Then he observed the milkmaids didn't develop any symptoms, but others did. Then he thought like, okay, then this cowpox is having some properties. And whenever we inject cowpox into our body, it is fighting with smallpox. Okay? So he did something. He collected serum from cowpox, serum of cowpox, and he injected it into a small boy, a small boy, with parents' permission, into his body. Then he exposed him to smallpox. Then this boy didn't develop any symptoms. That means his body is fighting. He need not show the symptoms.
That's bacteria.
Yeah. No, smallpox is virus.
Smallpox is virus.
Virus.
Like chickenpox.
So he like immune response developed in his body. Then Edward Jenner understood. Okay, so exposing body to the microbe initially itself will help our body to fight efficiently. Okay? Okay. Fine. This is our class. And can anybody say why it is taking so much time to develop a vaccine for coronavirus?
Because
You know, right? Since in December we saw that this coronavirus for the first time. Since then, our scientists are trying to find a way to find a vaccine to it. But even now there is no complete result. Still they are experimenting something. Why it is taking so much time? Can anybody say?
But
Very good, stand up. Because it is.
harmful to our body.
Yeah, it is harmful to our-
The body cannot fight with that virus.
Okay, the body is not able to fight with virus. Okay, that is the function of vaccine, right? When our body can't fight, we are preparing vaccine. But we failed here to prepare a vaccine. Why it is taking so much time? You know mutation? Mutation. Okay. Mutation. What is this mutation? Mutation is the virus body, I mean the microorganism body keep changing. It will not stay as you, like you are like this now, and you will be the same even tomorrow and the next day also. There won't be any mutation in you. And even your next generation, I mean if you get married and if you get a son or daughter, even they will be like human beings and they will have same properties like you. But in this virus, what is happening? There are many changes. If you prepare a vaccine for one thing, it will not work on the next generation virus. Is that clear? So, these are the challenges, right now. Challenges in developing trials, mutation, trials. What is this trials? For developing a vaccine, it's not so easy. Yeah, we need to trial on many persons, and that too, there will be some vaccines which are given in many doses, more than one dose. We should give like that. Then definitely it will take more time, right? Okay, these are some of the challenges in developing a vaccine. Okay, can anybody briefly tell what is vaccine? Stand up, one of you. One of you. What is vaccine? Stand up and say. What does vaccine contain? This is causing microorganisms, right? Very good. Then, but those are disarmed or killed. Very good. Yeah. Can you say differences between medicine and vaccine? What is medicine? What is vaccine? Wait. Medicine is given after we get a disease. It is vaccine is preventive. Okay, sit down. Okay, write your assignment for tomorrow. Homework.
Sir, when we kill her.
Wait. Write homework first. List out the vaccines you might have had in your childhood. List out the vaccines you might have had in your childhood. vaccines you might have had. Ask your parents, ask your uncle, somebody, mother, and list down what are the vaccines you had. Definitely everybody will have many of the vaccines. Okay, Teja, now stand up and ask your
So
doubt.
if we kill,
Yeah,
if we listen,
this is for the microorganism.
we have maybe in the body, how it fight the
Very good doubt. When we kill the microorganism and when we are sending it in the form of vaccine,
how the body.
how the body will fight? Very good doubt. Body is just releasing, just analyzing the properties of it. It need not fight much. It will just dissolve that. Okay? Any other doubts? Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.